adrenaline rush. On the Monster.
On Monster. On the Monster.
Naamoy mo ba yun?
Baka naaamoy ka na rin ng katabi mo.
B-O-B-O-B-O.
Baka emergency na yan. Check yourself and use Rexona after every bath. Ang #1 Deo lotion ng bayan. Say no to emergencies.
Back to back classes na walang break. Pagod to na yan.
Fill up quick with Vitamilk. Protein-rich and oh soy delicious.
Yes! A+!
Feels good talaga. Vitamilk. Soy fruity and soy delicious. Vitamilk strawberry and banana.
Our all-day busugeras, Vice Ganda and Maymay.
All day, daming choices. I'm a busugera for breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Cheesy egg design, longganisa, cheeseburger, chicken McDo.
99 pesos na lang nationwide. I'm a busugera. Mac-savers, sulit busog meals all day para I'm a busugera.
Cheesy egg desal and longganisa only available during breakfast hours. McSavers, sulit busog meals. 99 pesos na lang. All stores nationwide.
It's that time of the month again. It's 7/7 Refill Your Medicine Day at Watson's. Enjoy 30% off on 30 pieces of Watson's medicines from July 4th to 10th. Don't miss out on these amazing deals. Download the Watson's app and shop now.
Amp up your socials with the Monster. Like, share, and follow Monster RX 93.1 on TikTok for exclusive posts, videos, and other content to enhance your radio experience. Plus the chance to interact with the Monster Jocks and win cool prizes at RX 931 on TikTok. Monster RX 93.1. Verified viral. Follow the Monster.